These days, very few small businesses can survive without an internet connection, and many rely on it almost entirely to stay in touch with customers and suppliers. But not all internet connections are the same, and the arrival of super-fast fibre broadband in towns and rural areas across the UK, plus the growing affordability of Ethernet services, is rapidly extending the options available. Navigating through the information to decide exactly what's right for you can be tricky. But the decision between ADSL, fibre broadband, or low bandwidth Ethernet could be one of the most important you ever make. Let's consider the owner of a small out-of-town business who's in a fibre broadband enabled area and trying to decide whether that or Ethernet will be best for him. He currently employs 12 people who work from a variety of locations. He has 2 retail outlets, but more and more of his business is being done online. Making his choice on price alone is tempting, but he knows this could be a big mistake. He's ambitious and knows that his bandwidth needs will rise as his business grows. An Ethernet solution, which is further upgradable to 1 gigabit per second, might be worth considering instead. Ethernet services use dedicated point-to-point fibre, which means his connection would be totally unaffected, even if every other home and business in the same area started using the internet at exactly the same time. Also, whilst today his business might be able to manage if its network goes down, in the future, that downtime could affect sales or even drive customers to a competitor. Can he afford not to have a backup in place? He's almost ready to make his final decision. But first, he needs to take some time to consider upload and download speeds for the various options.